Hey, Stephen Gilbert here, amongst the mess of batteries. Just to give you a heads up of what I've been using for my drones. Been Glacier, 4 cells, 1300. I've roached these a few times. Okay, one of these I tore the plugs out of, but yeah. So this is what I've been using, 75C. Now, one of my drones... Ooh, that's a bump. I didn't notice that before. One of my drones, second I punch up, 10 seconds into the flight, these things are yelling at me about being under voltage. Maybe I just have my settings up too high on my beeper, but who knows. So, to test something out, bam! Polymer, graphene, grade A materials, low resistance, lifetime warranty. Now, I've got to figure it out. Graphene power. I've got to figure out what lifetime warranty means exactly. Limited lifetime warranty. Probably just means within a certain amount of time it won't, get a high resistance or stop charging or catch fire or something like that. So 5C, that means I could charge that at 6 something amps. So 1300 mAh, 90C. So it's going to be fun. Let's open this up real quick. Nice packaging. It's got these universal plug things too. Try to see which feels heavier. Doing this one-handed. I don't know. They feel the same, but obviously I could probably go get a scale. But it's in use right now, so doesn't look too bad. Right, let's do a side by side. Pretty much the same size. Fumbling with one hand. I'm also plugging my wife's artwork. Yeah, about the same. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. We'll charge it up, run some light runs on it, and then see how they do.